Welcome to this video on distinguishing between human and animal hair as trace evidence. A key factor in distinguishing hair is the medullary index. This is the ratio of the diameter of the medulla to the diameter of the hair shaft. For humans, this ratio is generally less than 1/3, while for animals, it is greater than 1/2. Human hair may have a medulla that is trace, discontinuous, or continuous. The appearance of the hair's outer layer, or cuticle, can also vary. Animal hair exhibits diverse characteristics, as shown here with examples like cattle, rabbit, dog, and deer hair. These different species have distinct medullary patterns and scale structures. We will now begin a lab on the analysis of animal hair. This will help you practice identifying and distinguishing different samples. First, you will complete a data table for known animal hair samples. Be sure to sketch and note the distinct features of each sample. Next, you will analyze mystery samples, recording your sketches and observations. Use your known samples to identify which animal each mystery hair sample belongs to.